great! Let's go feed them right now!
What's that sound? Something must be happening! What a mess!
Oh no! Where did all the animals go? Mom, look! There's a call coming from the tablet. Let's pick it up. Help, Playlishers! The animals have been sucked into the hay-wormhole. You can find them if you enter the hay-wormhole behind you. Hurry!
Look, Mom, over there!
Let's go save them!
Fell down here and are playing hide and seek, but I can't find them anywhere. This is a magic Polaroid. Find them, take a picture, and they can go back.
Let's go find the animals.
Hurry!
Okay, honey, let's do it.
Mom, look!
Oh,
It has black and white spots and eats green grass.
Spots. Grass. Cow.
Found one. It's a cow. Whoa, what's that? Look,
It has white, curly wool.
White. Wool. Sheep.
Oh, are you okay?
I'm good, but look, it is pink and loves mud.
Pink. Mud. Pig.
wow. What's this?
It has a long mane and eats orange carrots.
Mane. Carrot. Horse.
It has a red comb and a yellow beak. It's a chicken.
Comb. Beak. Chicken.
Mom, we found 5 animals already.
You're right. Let's go find the rest of them quickly.
It has a flat bill and webbed face.
Bill. Webbed feet. Duck.
Oh, look, it has curved horns and a beard.
Horns. Beard. Goat.
It's a goat. And look, there's something else inside the tree hole.
What's that?
Ears. Front teeth. Rabbit.
It has long ears and big front teeth. It's a rabbit.
Wow, it has big ears and a short mane.
It's a donkey.
Big ears. Short mane. Donkey.
Cool! It has a red wattle and a big fantail.
It's a turkey.
Fantail. Wattle. Turkey.
I've got all 10 pictures. We can finally head home together with all our animal friends.
Good job! You got all 10 photos. Press the glowing button to send them home.
Don't forget our animal friends. See you next adventure.
It's a Playlish time!